Hey Team Renegade, I am back with another preview or behind the scenes sneak peek of what I am doing for my collection. If you hear really loud noises, it is raining like crazy outside right now. But anyway, I am dressed like this because I have been looking up I've been just looking up different things for my collection, and I saw that some people, when they do their sketches for their collections, they actually use pictures that looks like sketches. You'll notice on the thumbnail from last week, I took some pictures of myself and made them look like sketches, and that made me think like I could do that and then do my sketches for the collection on top of myself. So that is what I am doing currently. So I just have on tank tops and some shorts, and I've taken some pictures and I'm going to take them into my photo editing program. It's a free program called GIMP. It's just like Photoshop, and I am going to make them look like sketches. I'm going to print them out, and then I'm going to use those in order to write on top of or to sketch on top of. So I'm super excited about that, and you'll see on Saturday's video. This week we are taking out dresses, and so I have a few dresses that I am trying on today, and you'll see them in the video. I went thrifting for them yesterday, and well, I don't know when this is going out, but I went thrifting for them on Monday, and so I am just going along the process. I will begin to start sketching. Hopefully I'll be able to come back with let me see, probably sketches by our I'll show you guys sketches for our next video. So I'm super excited about that. If you want to see how to turn your images into sketches, I'll put a link of the tutorial that I found to do that, and you can use it on Photoshop or GIMP, I'm pretty sure, but this is specifically for GIMP, the tutorial. But I hope that is helpful to you guys who are interested, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.